got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
Hey darlings, we are on our way out. Siya emnyanyeni. Done nobukhazi sokuphekelela umakoti. Say hi.
Hi guys. Siphekelela ubongani Masilela. Uyathatha uthatha umlobokazi. He's getting married.
Umfowethu uyathatha. Kanu. Oh guys, we are late. We are here, we just got here, it's drizzling and I am so sad because I thought I'm gonna have like nice pictures, but it's unfortunate they're gonna be dark because of it's raining, there's no sun, there's nothing. Bye.
Yababona bahlangene oh yababona bahlangene ngaba wele
Hey, I'm not a bride.
Lotshani komkhulu.
Hey.
Nivukile nifile.
Sivile sakusanile.
Hawa sivukile nifile sifile.
yababona bahlangene ngaba
Hey, friend. Good morning, darlings. It's another day of this vlog. It's the next morning. It's a Saturday, and oh my goodness, ilanga selaphuma. I thought I'm here for the morning breeze. Oh, yeah, sure. So yeah, as I was saying, it's the next morning, and we are still here. Emnyanyeni tunenobkazi. So I just went out. I'm chilling in my mom's buggy because of I needed the morning breeze, but langa seliyaphuma sengyasha. I think I'm gonna go back. I realized that I didn't introduce this vlog, darlings. For those who are seeing this face for the first time, hey, my name is Shemitanda Ndimande. I go by the name of Mrs. Ndimande on all my social media platforms, darlings. I just wanted to show face and tell you guys that we are still here. See, yeah. Shatisa umshado wesindebele tonenobukhazi, and currently kuya basalobolisana, and then kunomyezana zokuthoma akhube zokukhutshwa umakoti, and then yeah, I think we're gonna be here for the rest of the day. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm even thinking of going home to refresh, like go home kwa Maslela. My paternal home is just across the street, so I'm thinking I should just call my sister and just go refresh the geza amazinyo, at least kuphela ke, just amazinyo, and then come back. But if I do, I'm definitely gonna let you know, guys, and take you guys with me so that you can see my fourth home. I guess I need to do the get to know me tag as soon as possible, because now I am introducing my fourth home, and you guys already know 3 homes, and now I'm introducing the 4th one. Okay, bye. Irrelevant. Bye bye. I'll talk to you guys later. Let me go inside. My mom just called me, so I'm gonna have that for breakfast. Show you guys. Bye.
Kuma nami.
Onke mkhulu.
Mkhozi womurot.
Njalo mkhulu.
Asisabi mkhozi ujamephi. Uza kuwe mkhozi.
Uzakhe ngiyobikela ubaba mkhulu. Iye mkhulu. Ngizosithelapha leya izimali ijabali kababa izabayinyana izabayimali ekuleya ekukhuleni nomntwana
Ke sibike labo baba.
Mahla thokozeni mahla thokozeni mahla akhulele phezulu naku mnono phezu kwakhe
Swallow,
What a day. What a day. We are leaving Ekabo Makoti. We are going to Kwamasilela. Ekabo Mkhwenyana just ukuthokoza. And then siyaphatlalala. Nomunye ekhabo. I am so tired. I need to bath. Omunye gezile omunye. Ukhambile wangishiya. Look refresh. I couldn't do that, Mina. So you can imagine. I wanna get home and that's my little brother. I wanna get home and refresh, not refresh, bath and sleep. Bye.
Ngena uphuma nawe.
Uthenge ngangivele ngangitshela wena. Nangabe uthanda ukukhulupela kahle
Uthenge uyabutha mama. Uyabutha ungathukana uthi abantwana benzeni akusindi bantwana. Bekusuke ngithi enhle kushe umahle lo umahle.
ngani idenge ngizokho ngomuntu.
Umahle lo hawo. Yazi phambo izolo ngiyazibusela ngiyafuna. Izolo ngiyangena ngithola the same ngithi umahla akagezi. Ngithi damn it nangu sathana.
Mrad. Yo guys, bangicotshela intori sakaTenges. uTenges yinja kaAmali. Apparently uTenges uthatha izinto kamereni lam abuthele ngaphandle. Keep izinto wardrobe. Imagine a dog kele roomini keep izinto elahlele ngaphandle, shoes and stuff. Yeah, good morning guys. It's another day of this vlog. It's Sunday. I just woke up like literally right now. I slept in my aunt's room. And then I'm gonna take a bath and then see what I can do for a day. But I think we're gonna go to a Lucy. So yeah, listen, I'm trying to look at the CAGO, and then yeah, I'll take you guys with me. Bye. Hey darlings, I am quickly going to install my hair first, and then I will go to Emnyanyeni a bit later. But my aunt is going there now. She's gonna drop me off in Installeni, and then I'm gonna go to them later.
I believe everything we ever left. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids.
Hawu ngizokuthatha ingubo. Black and white ukutshele? Ukhona. Bye bye. I came here for this Yeah, ngizakuthumela. Bese wena uyongipha zakho ozokuthungisa. Yeah. Oh. I came to collect this at Umpalokoto and then now we are leaving. Thank you, bye.
Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know.
Thank you.
Took me some time, but now I am strong.
Woo.
Because I realize I've got
Thank you.
It's all I got in the end. That's what I found out.
Guys.
No need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I will be my own best friend. Be myself and I. It's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I will be my own best friend. I be myself. I know that I will be.
Hey, Hey darlings, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be audible. I'm just taking my chances. I am walking, going to my mother. She is literally a street away. Ngiyakuya so that I can go with her here in Nyanyen. But first things first, I'm gonna refresh. Nangifika kwakhe. I don't know if I'm gonna get ready with you guys or I'm just gonna go and take pictures, maybe show you what I'm wearing because we are already late. Siya eliswini. I'm trying to get this skill also. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Yeah.
Mrs. or Miss?
Mrs. Okay, sharp left. They just asked me for my name on YouTube because they saw me vlogging. Bye guys. Skaranjani. Mentisha mnane. Ngiyabonakala.
Mr. Nasawa, singene lambo.
Nayikhona ne-orchard nje.
Fana wathi bafaka khuphuka ngenyawo sokuthole khona.
Nangu umathele mhleni.
Wena uyaphi? Umathele mhleni yani. Sensebo kanje.
Hey darlings, we are getting ready. We are going to Eliswini. Ngiwama mom. Come and say to. I'm wearing this dress. It's a long dress and slides, earrings, Lovisa, umkhala imfundo bayishemi. I did this install ku iron. I'm gonna attach her numbers down below. If you're around Kamal reference surroundings, you can just come and install. I did my I did my face for literally 5 minutes, but I tried. And then I'm wearing this blankie from Umpalokoto and then brooch Umpalokoto. As I'm mentally soon, guys. Go again, steteleleni weekend. Bye. Umnyanya wamandebele tracks. Imagine mnyanya lo utome. Brooch yam ikamuhile. Let me try and fix it. Oh my goodness. And gizana iyodwa lapha mama. I am so sad. I thought I was gonna wear this brooch. I am so sad because I'm a brooch I'm going to share. Go on demand. Okay. Hey darlings. We are leaving home. Siya Eliswini.
I'm with my baby brother and my mother. Say babon. Bye.
Yababona behlangene ngahlaba abantu wele wele. Yababona bahlangene. Oh, yababona bahlangene ngahlaba abantu wele wele.
I'm good. Ninja. Good, good.
Nahana